Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I just want to spend my day with you guys. It's just this is like a mini, one of my days vlog. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, so I'm just spending the day with you guys. So I decided to go for, manicure and pedicure, and it's been a while since I did acrylics, so I decided to ask around, where to get nice acrylics at an affordable price. And a friend told me to try Delish nail bar. So yeah, I went there. It's at Ad Life. So this was my first time trying them. I like trying new things, new places, and having new experience. So yeah, the two ladies did a very good job, and I was happy. But I stayed there for long. I was so tired. I was so sleepy. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing acrylics on my hands and pedicure with gel polish, and it turned out so beautiful. So as always, my feet is white. I've not yet gotten another color that I love more. And then my hands, I tried something new, shades of nude and one marble hint. So I was a bit skeptical, but I was like, you have to try these things, because I'm a monochrome girl. I don't really try things like that. So it was a good experience. I had a nice relaxing time. So yeah, so now I'm heading to the supermarket. I'm actually at the supermarket right now. I want to quickly grab my dinner, then we'll go home and cook together.
Hiyo ni kubwa sana, lakini hii ilikuwa tu sawa. Mkate tu mara mbili. Ati?
So as you can see, guys, I am so tired. So yeah, I'm at Quick Mart. Actually, I like their fish. I like their fresh fish. Yeah, it's very fresh and nice, so you should try. Also, guys, please kindly comment, let me know what you think of my nails, please. Finally, I'm home. I'm so happy. Already smashed some beetroot and ginger. So I used one beetroot and a small portion of ginger. It depends how you want your juice to be, So I'm going to sieve this mixture and use the juice, right? So I'm going to sieve it using kichungi. So yeah. So I'm going to mix this. You just have to squeeze this residue, ginger and beetroot juice. So this is the mixture. So you can always add apple, and it should be dry like this, Yeah, it's done like that. That's it. So after squeezing the ginger and beetroot mix, I'm going to add in the watermelon. So I basically blended beetroot and ginger together separately, then I juiced it out, so like you saw, I was squeezing out the juice, yeah, because you don't want to drink with all the particles. So now I'm going to blend watermelon and some blueberries that I got from the supermarket. So I'm just going to use like a handful of blueberries, and then I'm going to add in strawberries, like also like a handful. Yeah, so oh yeah, and I've already washed them, so don't worry. I already like ran water through them. So now I'm just trying to remove, you know, that caliph, yeah, because you can't really blend with it. So yeah, I'm just not going to use so much, just enough. I think I used like 6 pieces. Yeah, so then I'm going to add in some ice cubes and then blend it. So I'll add in ice cubes because these fruits are straight from the supermarket. Yeah, so it's not like they were in the freezer or anything. So if it was in the freezer, then there's no need for adding ice cubes, but I like my drink cold, so I added ice cubes. So as you can see, after putting that, I'm adding in the mixture of ginger and beetroot, you know, so that it's able to also blend. So yeah, so you see, you basically don't really need water because you're using the juice from the beetroot and the ginger. So this drink is very healthy. It helps me with my acidity, and I think it can help you too. And it's, you know, it's hydrating. It's really hydrating. So if you have an issue like taking water, try to at least make this juice. Yeah, then I'm not going to add any sugar, like, you know, artificial sugars or anything. So it's just fresh juice. So yeah, I literally can finish this whole jug on my own. Like, it's nice, it's healthy, and it's tasty. So yeah, with the ginger portion, you put as you like, you know, you can put a lot or a bit. So I just put enough to get that ginger hint in it, you know. So even when you have a cold, it's nice for you. It is so refreshing, and it's very healthy. So I used what is it called? I used watermelon, blueberries, strawberries, some beetroot, ginger, and so the ginger you put according to how intense you want your juice to be. But yeah, and some ice cubes because the fruit wasn't from, you know, a freezer or anything. But if you, like now I've frozen the remaining fruits, so when I make it tomorrow, I don't need to add ice cubes, right? So yeah, it's so refreshing. It is so refreshing. Oh gosh, I'm breaking out, but it's just a few parts, not everywhere, so I don't know. It's very good. I can literally finish this whole jug. It's so hydrating. It's so good. Even when you're not someone who takes, you know, so much water, this is good for you. So now I want to make dinner, quick dinner, fish pepper soup. Yeah, so you just need onions, and I'm using one fish, yeah, one whole tilapia. Then you need just a little bit of oil because it's soup, right? Then you need to, after the onions have sauteed, you just need to add in your garlic. Then you're going to need tomatoes and this what is it called, this Scotch bonnet or what, that big pepper, yeah. Then I used 2, so depending on how hot you want your soup. Yep, so you can add more if you like. So just give it time to cook a bit, the mixture. Then you add in some water depending on the amount of fish you have. So I'm only using 1 tilapia, so I'm not going to put too much water, just enough, you know, to get like after the fish has cooked, I will still have soup, you know, because you're drinking it as soup, right? Not stew. So now I'm going to add in the spices, and I use Maggi. That's a must. So depending on what you prefer, you can use from other brands, you know, Royco. Yeah, chicken cube though. Chicken flavor is better for every food compared to beef. Then I'm just going to add in my spices. You'll see, nothing complicated. It's a very fast food and healthy, because you know, fish soup, as in, it is healthy. I don't know, especially when you have a cold or you're just feeling like you need some booster, you know. It is very, very refreshing. So I got this pepper soup spice and the Cameroon spice from West Africa Foods on Instagram, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, if I'll link down below the shop so you can get from them. For West Africa Farm Foods, yeah. So, and it's a lot, you see. I think one batch like this is like 800 Kenyan shillings, but you see, it's a lot. Like, you'll use it for a while, yeah, and it makes the food even more tasty. So of course I'll use my garlic powder, then I will use some onion powder. Then all this is not that necessary, but I feel like it adds, you know, that oomph. You know. So some onion powder, some black pepper is a must. So black pepper is a must. Maggi is a must. Garlic, you can just put fresh garlic, it's enough. And for the onion powder, you've already used onions, so you don't really need it. So then once the water is almost boiling, you put in your fish. Don't forget your salt, and don't put so much salt, because the spices have salt, especially the Maggi. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Let it cook for like, I think 15 minutes maximum, and it's ready. Serve it in a bowl. The soup is the main ingredient. The fish is just an accompaniment. So you can either eat it like this or have some rice on the side. So for me, I cooked some rice on the side, and I had my soup, my bowl of soup. Very refreshing, especially now that it's so cold. It refreshes you, right? And it's a very fast meal to cook. Like, it's like a fast food, you know. So yeah, you should try it. I know it doesn't look so pleasing here, but trust me, anyone who has tasted this food, they know it's very nice. And you can use the same procedure for your chicken. It doesn't have to be fish, right? So you can have your chicken soup the same way, pepper soup. So that's it for my day, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Good night. Bye.